Hi, I'm Brianna, and today I'm going to be doing a Laguna Blue 13 wishes. I'll try another. Neptune. Okay. So, her hair is yellow in a braid, ponytail. And then her bangs are like yellow and then the blue in the middle. Then she has glasses on and they look like they have seaweed around it. They're clear and they're like science glasses and with flowers. And then she has a matching necklace and bracelet. They're turtles, green turtles. Then she has one sleeve which is like blue, then a black strap, then pink and black on the top, and then she has this like it's a wrap, it's blue and sparkly. Then like, this is her dress. Then her shoes are turquoise and green. Then yeah, here's Neptune right now. This is her case. His case looks like there's water growing on it. Then he is dark purple and light purple. His eyes are purple too. Oh, and here's her makeup. Her makeup is she has purple eyebrows and then dark purple eyeshadow, and her eyes are green and yellow, and then firefly earrings. Thank you, subscribe, rate, comment, and watch my other videos. Bye.